Okay, YouTube, so here's what's going on. My four-wheeler, it's Arctic Cat 2005 650 V2 four-wheel drive. I turn it on, couldn't shift, it's making it really hard to shift. Whenever it's in gear, whether it's forward or reverse, it's an automatic. It'd creep forward, even with the brakes on, it was just creeping forward. Could not figure out what was going on. Thinking, okay, maybe there's something wrong with the clutch. Had no idea. Took the clutch case off, as you can see here. Come to find out, these models have what's called an engine brake actuator. It's kind of a redundant piece. All it really does is for slowing down the engine when you're going down a very steep decline. Okay, which if you're racing or if you're going down declines all the time, then yeah, it'd be great. Otherwise, you don't need it. So I pulled that off. Kind of sticks out there. There's a casing I want to put back on here. I thought, you know what? The part itself is about 250 bucks. Thought, yeah, no, I'm not going to pay that. Okay, so I pulled it off. However, when I was doing that, I noticed I was leaking gas from the carburetor. So I thought, okay, what's going on here? Hopefully you can see this good. I know a lot of YouTube videos, they just show you the nice clean carburetor outside of the engine, and it makes it look pretty simple. I was leaking gas. Okay, so it's dual carburetor. It's leaking gas out of the drain screw on the right carburetor. Tried tightening it. Obviously, someone had done the same. The screw was a little stripped, but tried tightening it, and still gas was dripping out. Did my research, found out the float needle. This is what the float needle looks like. Right there. Okay, simple little thing. This is actually the one I replaced. Actually, I replaced both of them. Float needle needed adjustment. So I bought a new kit, carburetor rebuild kit. Got a pretty good deal. Let's see. Where did I buy it? All Balls Racing. I got both repair kits for about 27 bucks. Took the cases off. That was a pain, because those screws, I believe they're brass, and all you had to do was look at them and they stripped. Okay, that took me a good while to get the screws off. Pain in the butt. Got them off, ended up having to drill some of them out, but it worked. Got them off. So if you're taking the cases off, do it slowly. Make sure you get a good grip in there with a screwdriver or whatever you're using. A screwdriver would probably be better than a drill. Took them off. Okay, took the floats off. You can see there's the jets are replaced, and this little screw right here. Take that off. There's a pin along here, and up inside there, that's the seat for the float needle. Okay. I took mine off and couldn't find out the float needle was just a little bit off. It wasn't damaged or anything. I thought, well, there goes $27. So I thought, hey, I might as well just replace it. So I replaced the float needle on both of them, replaced the jets. And the nice thing is the covers came with new screws, so I don't have to worry about finding screws to replace the ones that were stripped already. You can see the floats, push on them, come back out. That's kind of what you want. Okay, so knock on wood, I think I got it. I'm going to put the case back on, put those cases back on, and fire up. Hopefully we're not leaking any gas.